Hello everybody, I just have done the project, but my project is just finished with the buggy project. Okay, so let me show you what is it look like. So this is my project that I have done. What I expecting to happen is I can do upload the photo and then it will show in this area. So I can do clicks on the picture and I can see the source image where is the big picture came from, and I can do edit here. So when I click on somewhere else, this one will be edit and save without page load. The other ones here also I just only click here if I not allow, so you can see this is not allow public, and the other one is not allowed as well, so it will be no refresh, but it's not really smooth. Anyway, just on development, this one you can copy the BB code, both the thumbnails or the full image in here. Alright, so everything seemed to be cool. So everything seemed to be working fine, except one thing that I have a problem. Today is Friday of 8 June 2018 and yesterday is number 7. Thursday 7th of June 2018. Okay, let's have a look at the bug that I have a problem now. So the bug is about pagination with Ajax. Alright, so you see here, this is my first page, then I go to the second page. It seems to look good, right? But it's supposed to show only 2 items, but it show me 10 items. Alright, now I have a look right here. Now I have a pick on the page 2. I have pick 1 and pick 2. Now let's upload another picture. Let's say pagination page right here, and I will put some picture pagination right here, and I put it and I do upload. So you can see that it show up right here as what I expect. Now it's a 13 item that I have here. Now let's have a look. You have on the first page, this is the first page, right? Okay, let's see, we still have pick. What is missing? It's supposed to be pick 1 right here, but right now the pick 1 is already gone. And so if I upload another file, pick 2 will be gone as well. This will not show up. I did upload the file that I have all content file, 6 files that contains with this class, with this script here. On the, you can have a look it under the descriptions below. Now let's have a look at my code that I have right here. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 files that contain this. Let's see, on the server side, that controller, I have class of gallery, and let's go to the function. It's just only admin side, so this is only admin side is also contains with this do upload too. Any other thing else is I have no problem except the pagination. Where is the pagination came from? Well, it's get thing from here, and you can see my configs in here. I believe I got a problem with my configs before its pagination, so that might be something wrong right here. This is that's why I can see these buggy things that occurs in my code, and I know this one is not a good practice at all, since I use a switch and it's make my controller very big, which is not good practice at all, and when the time that you come to maintain this will be very hard. Anyway, you can see all this on the you can see, or you can download this code as PDF file under the descriptions of this video below. Okay, this is how I did configs, and it's before it's go to the pagination. Now Any other things out down here is working fine, so I will not going to touch, and I'm not going to talk about it. After this is the data, and it will show into the page by this. Now let's have a look at adminJS.php. Got the function that render the paginations is to get paginations right here. I got these functions will trigger whenever the user clicks on the link, right? The link here. So this function will trigger, and trigger because of this function. This function called get event that will trigger the other function called pagination. That will be concerns in here. Get paginations with the curve page. Let's go to the get pagination. This is our get pagination function, and is take one parameter as page. So if it's no page, it will set page equal to 1. Then it will send the URL. This will be URL that will be concern, and then it will send another parameter as page over there. As you know, page is will be equal to 1 if it's no page that coming out from the script. Then the URL with page. If I don't put this one in, my paginations will be not working. So on success, it will show the thing, alright, and then I use each to looping through all an environment or the element, or I use each functions to loop through the element. This is a very bad practice at all if you use a lot of templates as this big, but you should do with some other library. Well, I do it as my lazy, but I write a lot of code which is really useless and a lot of redundant, because I have these functions and the other function called getPick, which is do a very similarly thing right here. You can see that. But I promised you I would do more practice a lot. It's every day. Alright. Now, using the same code as a normal paginations without Ajax is working very well on many pages that I already did. Except when I try to use it, when it's come to be Ajax, so it's have a problem. But anyway, I will try to find a way to solve this problem, and if I can solve this problem, I will post the videos on YouTube or Facebook again, right, to tell you how I solve my sales problem. But if there right now is any help, will be appreciated. Alright, so what I doing just now is I try to dig out for more. How can I fix the buggy problems in here? Alright folks, thank you very much for watching until the end. I'm so sorry that is a lot of things that redundant in here. I believe I don't expect anyone who really comes and help, but anyway, I post my email too. If you maybe wanna do email to me, if you maybe know that what is my problem and my solution. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next video, hoping I can solve this problem soon. Goodbye for now.